Coconut oil is very good for the skin. It's been proven to have a lot of things it does for the skin, like it heals dry skin, it balances complexions, it reduces hyperpigmentation, and a lot of things it really does. For those that are dark complexion and they want to glow their skin, coconut oil can be used for it. If you want to treat stretch mark, coconut oil and shea butter with plantain bark and other things can also be used for it. And then if you have squeezed hands and feet, coconut oil also works wonders. But a lot of the issue here is that, but the truth here is that there are a lot of people that tell you that this is 100% extra virgin coconut oil, but at the end of the day, you say that these coconut oils are not original. You say that these coconut oils are not what they tell you they are. There was one coconut oil I bought. Instead of making my skin to be uniform and fine, it made me really black. Like, it made me really look odd. Like, somehow I knew that that wasn't original coconut oil, because original coconut oil makes you glow and make you look really beautiful and radiant without issues. That's why I'm making this video. That's why I'm making this video for those of you that don't know how to make original and 100% extra virgin coconut oil. So watch this video to the end as I show you a very straightforward way and step-by-step process on how to make coconut oil. Yes, let's go to our table. This is the original coconut. So what I did is I broke it and removed the contents. So this is it. I'm just going to rinse it. And put it in my blender. Okay, then pour water so that it can blend. That's it. The next thing is I'm going to take it to blend. That's it. This is how you get your natural virgin coconut oil. So the procedure. Wow. I can't wait to get it done. Wow. I can't wait to get it done. You can see my oil is coming out. Wow. Yeah, it's ready. Hope you find this video useful. Kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. You can also share and like this video. Thank you.